Dunlop Flooring manufactures carpet underlay, and people may think underlay is manufactured from prime foam, but carpet underlay is manufactured from recycled foam. If it was not converted into underlay, that foam would find its way into a tip, and then it would sit in the earth and it would not break down. Our customer service and sales teams actively promote our recycle program with our retail partners, who play a very big part in collecting the material and transporting it back to our premises in New South Wales. We employ people from almost every continent, and we've had people who have been working for the last 25 to 30 years. Dunlop Flooring works with Australian universities. The purpose of the partnership is to get in fresh minds into the business, to develop other applications for recycled foam. They feel that they have a personal stake in wanting to do their part to improve the environment, even if it comes at a cost to them. In production, we have 5 checkpoints along the way. Underlay manufacturing equipment is not readily available off the shelf. Over the years, we have partnered with local engineering, electrical companies. The underlay manufactured at our manufacturing facility conform to all Australian standards, and they meet the high expectations of the Australian consumer. All our employees are very proud of the fact that we save thousands of tons of recycled material from going into landfill. That's what makes this a very interesting and exciting business. When we choose to buy something made in Australia, we invest in so much more than just a product, a service, or a company. We invest in the future of our country and in each other.